all have unoriginal Bristol. Just missed the start of this one. It sounded amazing though. And still neither of those are running. But you know what? I think I'm just gonna keep filming in case I get another one starting up. Because I also missed the startup of one back there, and it was very loud. I don't know about that one there. It's kind of noisy. I'm going to continue walking this way. That's the... Oh, there's a little lizard on that unit. How cute. The little gecko. One of these sounds weird. Oh, it's that one back there that sounds weird. Oh, this one sounds nice. Have to get to it though. Copeland, all of these units with new Copeland compressors, reciprocating compressors. What year is this compressor from? 2008, I think? That's a new capacitor as well, I think. Big E there. One of these sounds nice. This one, that's a Bristol. I'm gonna go back to all of the units here. But there's a lot of them. A lot of these that I actually haven't filmed before. It's render just like mine. This is a 2023 Copeland reciprocating. And something just turned on. Something over here just turned on. Not sure which one it was though. Or maybe it turned off. No, it was not a startup, it was a shutdown, never mind. Thought I heard something turning on, but it actually turned off. It was Goodman. Compressor is this one, right? This is a Kegan swirling it. We have a bunch more weather kings. I'm just hoping that one of these will start up. Oh, that's a little smaller Bristol compressor. Yeah. All of these have Bristols in them. But the ones with Bristols also sounded nice when they turned on. These two have an original Copeland compressors. But, and here's a Goodman with a Bristol. I don't think any of these have been running recently though. But I don't remember seeing this Goodman. I think perhaps it's like a new install of a used unit or something. Wait, no, that's a Bristol. What? One Copeland reciprocating, but it's not. I could try getting this one starting up. It has a 2023 Copeland reciprocating, but it hasn't been running though, I don't think. I think this was the one that was really noisy last time I came here, but Must have been this one. I remember the place looked like this. But it's a lot quieter right now. It sounds different right now. That's the light making that noise. Smart comfort is quite noisy. I could hear it from around the corner. Jeez, that was a very loud scroll compressor. Just heard something else turning on. But there's a lot of these carriers. The one in the middle is running. Sounds like it might have a Copeland, but I don't know. Smart comfort. Sounds like oh, it just turned off. So I got a shutdown. I might as well get it started. But I don't know how long it'll have to go. 2025 Smart Comfort is running. One of these sounds bad. There's an amazing sounding one over here. And it's noisy. It sounds amazing. Sounds actually quite noisy. You know what? I don't think I came over here before. 2007 Bristol. It has been running. This one probably has not been running. I can't really tell. This one has a 2022 Copeland reciprocating. But I'm not sure if it has been running though. I'm not sure if any of these have been running. This Goodman is quite noisy. I heard it from all the way around the road over there. Rotary compressor, it sounds like. There's another one. One of these trains is quite noisy. One of these is running. It sounds kind of weird. Oh, this one's actually running. It's very quiet. Oh, this one sounds really nice. These are so tall. What the? This one's shaking. Jeez. Near these trains. I think they're OLED scrolls if I remember correctly. This one is allowed. This one's not running right now. Carrier sounds kind of weird. I'm just curious. I want to see. Last time I didn't get to take a look at this thing because there were people around it. Some kind of refrigeration thing. Yeah, I think it's a scroll. It has very large scroll compressors in it. It's very loud over here. Big exhaust fan there. Train honestly. This Goodman is very loud. Very loud Goodman. Yeah. New one I think. This Goodman has a rotary. It's loud. Maybe I'll get it starting up later.